online EVS Class 3 at Lead School at home. Today we are going to cover Day 2 of Unit 6, Soil. Every day you would be attending the online class and doing the homework for that day. You may then check your answers the following day. Make sure that you have your student reader, worksheet and notebook with you during the class. So let's get started with today's lesson. In the previous class, I had given you homework to write the answer to question number 3 on WS1 after observing where you find soil near your house. Now I'm going to count from 5 to 0 and I want all of you to take out your workbooks to check the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Question number 3 is, observe and note the different places around your house where you can find soil. Now, children, all of you can write different answers. This is just a sample for you to see the kind of answer that you could write. The answer could be, I can find soil in pots and along the footpath. I want all of you to discuss with your family members to see if you have written the correct answer or not. In our previous class, we had learned that soil is a thin layer on the Earth's surface. We also discussed the importance of soil based on these picture clues. Today we are going to discuss in detail about the importance of soil. For this, I want all of you to look at the following video. Now I have a few questions for all of you. My first question is, what did the plant grow out of? And the answer is soil. My next question is, what was the pottery being made of? And again, the answer is soil. And finally, I want all of you to tell me, what were the bricks made of? And the answer is soil. I'm sure all of you will now agree with me that soil is important for life on Earth. It is a source of food for all of us because plants grow in soil which is consumed by both animals and humans. So this means that we get our food from soil. A lot of essential objects are also made from soil, like pots, pans, vases that we use at home. Even the bricks that we use to build our homes is made of soil. Another importance of soil is that it is home for many animals like earthworms. So all of you know that soil is very important for all of us to live on Earth. Now children, I want all of you to take out your student reader and open to SR1 while I count from 5 to 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. On SR1, we are going to read about soil and its importance. While I read, I want all of you to follow in your own readers. Introduction. We know that plants are important for the existence of life on Earth. For the growth of plants, good quality soil is needed. Soil covers a large part of the land. It not only makes plants grow, but it is also home to several small animals such as earthworms. We use soil to make bricks, which are used to construct houses and buildings. Another use of soil is in pottery. When water is added to soil, it is easy to create shapes out of it. So children, now all of you know that soil is very important for all of us to survive on Earth. Soil covers a large part of the earth. Plants grow in soil, and these plants we humans and animals eat. So it's a very important source of food for all of us. Not only that, there are a lot of animals which live in soil, like the earthworm. We use soil to make different things like pottery and even bricks, which we use to make our homes. So all of you know that how important soil is for all of us. Now I want all of you to take out your workbooks and open to WS1 while I count from 5 to 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. On WS1, I want all of you to answer question number 1, which is tick the correct statement. Read each statement carefully and tick mark the ones you think are correct. To do this, I'm going to give you 10 minutes and your time starts now. Number 1, which is tick. Children, your time is up. Now let's look at the answer. You have to tick the correct statement. Let's read the first statement. Soil is home to some animals. Now it is true. Earthworms live in soil. The next is soil helps plants grow, which is again true because all plants grow in soil. We use soil to grow food. Humans and animals, we eat plants and plants grow in soil. The last one, bricks are also made of soil, is true. The bricks that we use to build our homes is made of soil. I hope all of you have been able to answer this correctly. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. Today we discussed about the importance of soil. What do you think, children, will happen if there was no soil on Earth? And the answer is, if there was no soil, there would be no food. Because plants grow in soil. And if there was no soil, there would be no plants. And both humans and animals will have no food to eat. So life on land will be very difficult. Perhaps life will exist only in water. Children, in the next class, we are going to discuss how soil is formed. For this, I want all of you to look at your screen now. What do you see? You see some eggs. I'm going to take 2 eggs and I'm going to put it in the freezer. And in the next class, we will see what happens. For your homework today, I want all of you to answer question 4 from WS1. Till our next lesson. Bye.